everyone think about making a move in the real estate market. It can feel like a huge, complicated puzzle, right? But what if I told you it doesn't have to be? My special recipe for success is simple. A little bit of sweetness mixed with a whole lot of real estate know-how. I'm here to help you reach all your home goals, minus the stress, whether you're a first-time buyer, excited to get your own keys, a growing family needing more space, or you're ready to sell and start a new chapter, I've got your back. My job is to make the entire process feel smooth and, believe it or not, even enjoyable. We'll work together to create a personalized plan that fits you and your dreams perfectly. So, let's chat about your next big move, Drotter. Comment below or send me a message. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips.